Hi, I'm Peter Wiskowiak. I'm the director of our satellite communication products here at Calian Advanced Technologies. I've worked with the company for a lot of years. I started back in 1993 and have fulfilled various roles within the company. Most recently, I work in the satellite communication products area. One of our main products at the moment is the Decimator. We found that we had a need for a reasonably priced, high-performance spectrum analyzer. We couldn't find one out in the marketplace, so we decided to build our own. That happened sort of around the 2010 timeframe. Last year, we introduced the Decimator D4, which is the fourth generation product of the Decimator spectrum analyzer line. It's actually redesigned from the ground up, although it fulfills a lot of the same features. It's actually a new hardware platform altogether. And so what we focused on was an increased frequency range. So we're going up to hit not just L-band, but S-band and C-band as well for our satellite operators. We've got a higher instantaneous bandwidth for the newer, higher throughput satellite systems with the wider transponders that are up there. And we redesigned the user interface from the ground up as well. The new unit covers the latest HTML5 standards, which is great. So it runs on everything, all browsers, it runs on your iPhone, it runs on really anything you can run a web page on. A couple of the new features that we introduced for the D4 are the Spectator add-on and the Detector add-on, and these features have had some good acceptance out there in the marketplace. The Spectator add-on is an enhancement to the carrier monitoring system that allows you to look at up to 100 carriers on a single display. They're colored with green or red highlighting to let you know whether everything is okay, and so you can see at a simple glance whether everything's operating okay in your network. And another feature that we also added is quite similar, but it dives deeper into the signal, so it lets you look at the constellation. We call that our Detector add-on, and it lets you see all those constellations in one snapshot. If you have both of those add-ons, you can actually mix and match between the spectrum and the constellation displays, and you can really see what's going on within your network. The Decimator includes built-in carrier monitoring, which is a really important feature for a lot of our customers. It allows basic intelligence on what's happening in their satellite carrier network. If anything is going wrong with the carrier, you get an alert, and it notifies you with that right away, so you know if there's any problems in your network that need to be addressed. Not only can you look at things in an instantaneous snapshot of what's going on right now, but we store the information as well in a little local database. And so that local database allows you to look at historical results, lets you look at trend lines over the last while, helps you diagnose your problems that way. The Decimator comes in a few different form factors. Our most common form factor is the multi-port model, and that comes in both a 4-port and 8-port model. We also have a number of customers that access just the card only, and oftentimes that'll be integrated into their own product. And finally, we also have a portable unit, so a technician can carry that one around to different workplaces. And our manufacturing team does a great job. It allows us to produce them when we want to, when we need to keep our customers satisfied, get those deliveries there on time. We're not dependent on going offshore to get all that stuff done. So it really helps that it's done here in Canada, right here within our own facility. Our core marketplace is the satellite marketplace, which is pretty broad in and of itself. We suit gateways, we're looking at uplink systems, receive systems, looking at the teleports who are helping support other people's satellite signals. We're looking at backhaul within the satellite communications marketplace as well. So really everything in SATCOM. We really pride ourselves at Calian Advanced Technologies that we think we're a special company. One of the things that helps out there is that we actually use our own products, so we understand better what our users will want from us and what our customers need. We go that extra mile to make sure everybody's satisfied, and if they need any other type of support as well, we're always there to help out.